Hello friends and welcome to my channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina and in today's video I am going to give a book review on the book What the Doctor Needs to Know in Order to Make a Successful Prescription by Dr. James Tyler Kent. This is one of my first book reviews and I am no expert in this field. I just tried to put forth my honest opinion about the book. When I came across this book, I found it really interesting, mainly because its title was so catchy and it's only 42 pages. So I really wanted to know how such huge amount of information could fit in just few pages. And that attracted me to read the book. And finally, I found it really very helpful. Especially from my students' point of view, I would be so glad if every student owned this book. Also, because it's very affordable for everyone and will be needed in the clinical setup of every beginner. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Also follow us on Instagram to get regular updates. So let's get started with reviewing our book, What the Doctor Needs to Know in Order to Make a Successful Prescription. This book is written by one of the pioneers of homeopathy, Dr. James Tyler Kent, and it was published by B. Jain Publications on 1st April 2009. Cost of the book? It merely costs you 65 rupees to buy a hard copy of this book that you can easily get online on Amazon.in. The link to which is given in the description box. You can also buy it on Exotic Art for 115 rupees or B. Jain's online store or also on Flipkart where it was sold for just rupees 35. You can get it on online bookstore at just rupees 18. And all the links are available in the description. You can check them out. Now let us go through the details about this book. This book offers a useful guideline to the student and practitioners of the homeopathic art on how to make a successful prescription. Starting with the correct approach to a thorough case taking, consideration of the do's and don'ts, and how to do proper recording of symptoms has been dealt exhaustively in this work. The case-taking part has been discussed in detail as to what shall be the questions that are to be asked to the patient and what are the ways of obtaining the peculiarities and how to collect the concomitants and the specific modalities that must be kept in mind. A comprehensive list of questions have been compiled in a logical manner covering particulars in full detail and separate sections on male and female. A must-read for all homeopaths, especially the beginners, so as to understand classical homeopathy in its true perspective and follow it successfully to obtain a running good practice. Pages and sections. It consists of around 42 pages, which is divided into 37 sections. It is arranged in alphabetical manner. So this is how it is arranged, and its sections are as follows. In the introductory part, Dr. Kent explains in detail the need for individualization and why homeopathy does not treat patients on disease symptoms and how each patient is different from the other. He also mentions ways in which the treatment could be done through correspondence or long-distance consultation, where the patient is asked to write all the complaints in detail. Furthermore, he says that the success or failure of the case largely depends on the patient's ability to describe the symptoms. This booklet was mainly designed as a patient workup for the long-distance patients. And in the introduction, he mentions that the question should be answered in as in the patient's language, and only questions relating to the patient's disease should be answered. So in conclusion, this is a case record format that Dr. Kent published to ease the difficulties in case taking for correspondence cases. It starts with section 1, where he is instructing the patients to write the preliminary data of the patient, and furthermore, there are 36 chapters which are divided in systematic manner alphabetically and has the questions relating to that particular system. Here is an example of section 4, sensations. And the chapters or sections end with the 37th section, which has questions relating to and the conclusion. My review in conclusion is 5 stars. However, I am no one to rate the hard work and compassion put in such a wonderful compilation of such a great author like Dr. J.T. Kent. This is just my point of view as a reader. Many of our budding homeopaths or just passed out students struggle a lot with what is the proper method of case taking, what questions should be asked, how much detail is enough to prescribe a case. I guess all these doubts will be cleared by reading this book, as it gives a thorough understanding of the basic method or basic questions in case taking and also provides some level of confidence in the doctor or prescriber, as he gets enough history for the patient in regard to his condition and can give the best medicine to initiate cure. So I personally loved this book. I give it a 5 star and I really promote this book to each and every budding homeopath or a homeopathic student to learn the proper method of case taking. So that was all about this book, What the Doctor Needs to Know in Order to Make a Successful Prescription by Dr. James Tyler Kent, book review. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates. And thank you for watching this video.